In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist's boards for better focus. We all know how challenging it can be to juggle multiple tasks at once. Whether you're managing work projects or personal goals, having a system in place can make a world of difference. Todoist offers an intuitive boards feature that can help streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Let's dive in and explore how to set up and optimize these boards. First things first, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. You can do this using either a browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, the next step is to set up your board. This begins by heading to your Todoist homepage. Look for the Add Project option and select it. You'll then be prompted to choose the board view. This view provides a comprehensive visual layout that makes managing tasks straightforward. Now it's time to name your project. It's important to give it a clear and purposeful name. For example, you might use names like work tasks if it's for professional duties, or personal goals for individual endeavors. A descriptive name not only helps you stay organized but also instantly communicates the project's purpose. With your project named, you'll want to add sections. Imagine sections as columns on your board. Common sections include to do, in progress, and done. However, you're not limited to these. Feel free to customize sections to fit your specific workflow. Perhaps you need a section for waiting on feedback or priority tasks. This flexibility allows your board to work for you. Next, it's time to break down your tasks. Start by listing everything you need to accomplish within each section. Each task should be a tangible action step you can complete. Once you've listed your tasks, it's crucial to add details. Specify due dates, assign priorities, attach labels, and even add comments if needed. These details provide clarity and context, which are essential for staying on top of your tasks. For larger tasks, consider breaking them down into subtasks. This approach makes them more manageable and less overwhelming. You'll find that checking off smaller subtasks gives a great sense of progression and achievement. Now let's focus on prioritizing. Todoist allows you to use labels and filters to tag tasks. Labels like #urgent or #low priority help you quickly assess the importance of each task. Filters can then be created to view tasks based on these priorities or contexts, ensuring that you always know what needs attention first. You can also make use of the drag and drop feature. As you progress through your tasks, you can easily move them from one section to another. This visual representation of progression can be quite motivating, reminding you just how much you've accomplished. Before we wrap up, let me share a few bonus tips. Utilize color coding for better visibility and organization of tasks. This can be particularly useful when you want to differentiate between personal and professional tasks. For routine work, create recurring tasks to save time and effort. And if you're working as part of a team, consider sharing your boards to collaborate more effectively. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to using Todoist's boards to enhance focus and productivity. Happy organizing!